thought it would be fun to do a little unboxing video. These are 2 boxes I got today, which is Thursday. I'll probably be uploading this on a Sunday because I have more things coming. Okay, so this one is from So English Fabrics. They have a ton of really cool knit fabrics. Great for sewing apparel. They've got a lot of double brush polyester, so great for making leggings and whatnot. And I ordered way too much stuff, actually, but I'm really excited to open it. So here we go. All right. So first thing on top, I'm so excited about. It is like called like a cuddly knit, I think. I don't have my, let me see if there's a packing slip somewhere. I don't see a packing slip. Okay. I don't regret any of this. Let's see. I thought it would be really fun to make a t-shirt out of these 2 fabrics. This is a double brush polyester, like burgundy knit with a cream stripe. It's so soft. Oh my goodness. So I got that. And then I couldn't pass this up. Look at those dinosaurs and flowers. So this is the double brush polyester. It looks like it's pretty thin, but like the right amount of thin. Like I can kind of see through it, but I don't think it's, because you can't even see my sweater very well. So I'm really excited about that. I might do like this as the sleeves on a shirt and then that as the base of the shirt, or vice versa. We're just gonna have some fun with it. And then I thought these would be a really nice shirt as well. These are French terry knits. And I was worried that they wouldn't be quite as soft because when I think of terry, I think of towels. But I was like, no, I've seen French terry before. I know it's not a towel. I'm gonna try it. And I'm glad I did. So this is a buffalo plaid. It's like a little bit distressed and more like a charcoal than a real black, but I'm really into it. This is the back side of that, so that's the French terry. It's really, really soft. I think I got a yard of this and it looks like a lot of fabric. And I thought it would be super cute to pair it with this. I love Valentine's Day, and it's not necessarily like what Valentine's Day stands for. It's more like I love pink and red and hearts everywhere. So that's that. And this is like an oatmeal colored background with these red hearts on there. Really fun drapey fabric. So I'm excited to make some stuff with this. Is it damp? No, I think it's just cold. It's just cold. It was wrapped in plastic, which is really nice, but it was sitting outside for a while, so it's kind of cold. It might be a little damp, actually. That's weird. And then the last one that was in there. Oh, yeah, okay. There's my packing slip. It's just kind of crumpled up in the box. It's packed by Josh. So, I got 2 yards of the oatmeal red hearts and 1 yard of everything else. I'm so excited. This is called Super Plush Fabric. Holy cow. Okay, I'm not sure why this is taped to it. Maybe to keep it from getting everywhere. I don't know, but it's black and white polka dot, and then the back is like a minky fabric. So you could make blankets out of it. Oh, I guess there's holes in it. I don't understand. Weird. This is my first time ordering from this company. But yeah, there's like tape all over it. And markings all along the back. Weird. I don't know, but I mean, this itself, you could just serge the edges and make an adorable blanket. And it wasn't that expensive per yard. I don't know, prices aren't on it. That's probably a good thing. Yeah, so I'm really excited about that. I love this like minky backing to it. Super excited to make some stuff with that. And then the other box that I have is from WeWack.com. And I order double-sided tape and needles from this place, as well as zippers. I don't get all of my zippers here, but when I shopped around, this was kind of the best place to get these kinds of zippers in all kinds of colors. And they often have like buy two, get one free on their zippers. So I ordered 7-inch zippers in like a million colors. You might be thinking, why are you buying 7-inch zippers when you could buy a zipper by the yard? And it's because I make zipper pouches that use an exact 7-inch zipper. So, all the zippers. I think I ordered too many, but that's nonsense. So, it's just a box full of 7-inch zippers, and I'm pretty excited about it. So that's all the fabric mail that I got on Thursday. I'm excited to see what Friday and Saturday hold because it could be fun. In today's fabric mail, today is Thursday, I got zippers by the yard from My Handmade Space, and she has some of the cutest zippers that I've seen so far. This is some of her metallic, and it feels really stiff. It is nylon coil, so that's nice. But I got the silver and gold little trio or set, and it comes with these zipper pulls that are stars. And I could not resist. I even had to buy extra star pulls because you could even use these on colored zipper tape that isn't by the yard, just to add a second pull and just remove the other one. But look at how cute that is, and it's nice and long. So I'm excited to try those. She sells these handy little kits, especially if you're new to zipper by the yard like me and you're not sure, do I buy how many yards and how many pulls? I'm not sure. So she has a set, so it kind of takes the guesswork out of it, honestly. So it's a few yards and it comes together in this little package. And there's a little note with a coupon code to use on your next order, so that's awesome. And one of the main reasons I bought from her is she has these rainbow zipper pulls and zipper by the yard. And again, it's like this metallic look and feel. I really like how stiff it feels. Some of the other ones I've purchased, the tape, the twill tape feels really thin. So when you're making a bigger bag, the tape just kind of doesn't give as much to the bag as I need it to. And these feel like they're gonna be really nice. And look at how many colors came in this pack. Like, I am obsessed with this one. I love how it's an iridescent color. And then these zipper pulls are really cool. I'm telling you guys, she has a ton of zipper pulls. But I really like the size. I think it's a great length. You can easily add a little keychain. Sorry. But yeah, you can easily add like a tassel pull or create your own little key hooks, what have you. So I'm really impressed. Again, these are from My Handmade Space, and I'll include the links down below for everything I've got in this video. But that was it for Thursday's fabric mail. Hopefully I have a package coming tomorrow and maybe even tonight, because UPS still has to come. I lied. Another box came. It's still Thursday. So these are the t-shirts I designed. This is the ladies fit. And I'm going to carry a few different styles. This was just kind of like a tester and a pre-order. But to everyone who pre-ordered, your shirts are going to go out very, very soon. Look how cute they are! I love it so much. I'm actually working with a smaller screen printing company other than Custom Ink for the rest of them. But it says, I'd love to, but I'm so busy. I'm excited. I'm so excited.